A significant and profound business change is underway. Where is the future of the sewing machine? We are more determined than anyone. We are redefined the sewing machine. Fashion, convenient, and high efficient, but also wisdom. We are endeavoring to become #1 sewing equipment brand in the world. We are Jack. Jack, focusing on sewing equipment for 20 years, focusing on superior resources and advanced productive forces, with continuous leading innovation strength, opening the wisdom age of sewing machine brand. Through the digital information, cloud computing, and mobile internet data technology, we gradually establish a cloud management platform, capture the current market situation and dynamic trend timely, to achieve rapid decision-making, enhance adaptability and flexibility for the future, and then to make data be the source of wisdom and service customers and brand efficiently. On a global scale, we build members of research institutes, gathering international innovation resources and broad field of vision. Leading the industry development trend of science and technology, staff size and patents are the #1 in sewing machine industry. Based on the depth of customer research and comprehensive analysis of the dynamic, we implement the IPD development mode, make the customer demand and competition as innovation orientation. Keen on capturing the dynamic information of cutting-edge products, make the wisdom R&D from concept to practice. Quality is a reflection of innovation achievements, but also our product's dignity. We are the first enterprise to introduce intelligent industrial sewing machine production line and integrate advanced manufacturing technology, information interconnected and man-machine coordinated mode. Provide all the manufacturing cycle wisdom response to ensure that each product conforms to the strict quality standards, and won the China Lean Awards exclusively in the industry. From overlock, lock stitch, interlock to special sewing machine, each type is our crystallization of great wisdom. The world's first speaking machine, A4, using European industrial design concept, pursuing the product experience of perfect and different. It is extraordinary. She is good to look, good to hear, good to use. Each button has detailed voice reminder. Each step has scientifically voice guidance.
Off. Back tag.
Intuitive operation panel and one key control design allows users to use more convenient. Automatic presser foot function promoted products intelligent degree. Further reduce the labor intensity, improve the work efficiency. One key control can restore factory settings. You can do what you want to experience the best performance, sewing a broader future for you.
杰克这款 A4 平衡机自动感应抬压脚，让我的工作更加省力省心。杰克 A4 的每个按键都有语音提醒，用起来既便捷又开心。以前那些缝纫机上的按钮我都不敢动，一动程序就乱。现在我可以自由设置操作习惯，就算出错了，一键就可以恢复，完全不用担心。
Quick service 100%, beyond your expectations. Industry's first CRM system and calling center, 7 by 12 hours online serve for you. More than 5,000 Jack professional after-sales service personnel distributed all over the world, more than 80 countries and regions. Quickly response your each service needs anytime and anywhere. More than 20 senior experts in machine electronic control field and more than 800 professional and technical training each year. They are the strong backing of your growing business. More than 7,000 clothing manufacturers benefit from anniversary concern, regular free maintenance and pass-on maintain knowledge supporting you at any time. extreme originality just for you. We share the innovation feast of science and technology with you. We will create higher wisdom value for you. The unlimited expansion of horizons. Win the infinite growth space. We are devoting to becoming the world's first sewing equipment brand. We are Jack.